Hello student. See the next point, birth of stars. Like the human being, the stars also born, and there is a long process to born of stars. If you have seen Figure 19.3, a picture of interstellar cloud taken by Hubble Space Telescope. This is the picture of the clouds which are present in the space, and these space are having huge of gaseous dust particles, and that is called interstellar clouds. Scientists use the unit of light year for measuring large distance. A large year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year. Means how much the light is covered the distance between 1 year, that is the 1 light year. As per the speed of light is 3 lakh kilometer per second, means in the 1 second the light covered the 3 lakh kilometers, and the light year means the light covered the distance between 1 year is equal to 9.5 into 10 raised to 12 kilometers. The size of these interclouds are very huge. It means about the few light years. You can imagine from that in 1 second the light covered 3 lakh kilometer, and in the 1 year it covers 9.5 into 10 raised to 12 kilometer. It is a very large number, and their size of these interclouds is few light years. It is the various most tremendous number, and the size of interstellar cloud are about few year light. So the few years to go from one end to another end of cloud. From these you can imagine that the size of this interstellar is much huge. Due to some disturbance, these clouds are start contracting. Because of contraction, their density start increase, and their temperature also start to increase, and dense pair of hot gases form from the cloud. Means because of the some disturbance, this cloud are start contracting, and because of that their density, temperature are start to increases, and that become one dense sphere of hot gas. Once the temperature and density at the center of the sphere increases sufficiently, the nuclear energy generated starts there. Means at such temperature, the nuclear energy start generate at the center of this cloud or sphere of hot gas, and that's why the energy generation, the gas spheres become self-luminous, and star is formed. We can say that a star is born. Means when the some disturbance, they become they start contracting, then become hot sphere gases, sphere of hot gases. The temperature increases tremendously, and they are become self luminous. luminous means they are having own light, and that's why the energy generate and they are become self luminous. This means that the hydrogen at the center of the star act as a fuel and energy generated by burning this fuel. Means the that like the sun, in the sun at the center there is a hydrogen is present, that's why they are act as a fuel, and the burning of fuel they are having their own light. Then the stability of light stability of star means these, we know that our sun are not changed its properties past 4.5 billion years, means the sun is formed are very long year back. How they are remain as it is for this longer period? Because the stability of stars. Then on which factors the stability of light is, the stability of stars is the answer to this question is gravitational force. We know that these interstellar clouds are starting contracting at the center. As per that, the gravitational force are start to increase. The gravitational force between the gas particles of stars keep these particles together. Gravitational force, which is constantly trying to bring the gas particle close to each other, and pressure of hot gas, which constantly trying to disperse the gas, are balanced. Then the star remain stable. Means gravitational force are try to bring the gas particles close each other, and the pressure of hot gases constantly trying to disperse the gas, and then this pressure and gravitational force are remain, then the stars remain stable. The gravitational force is acting inward towards the center, and the which gases pressure is acting outwards, that is from the center, away from the center of stars. And then this pressure and gravitational force is become balanced, and that's why their stability remain as it is for the longer period.